Hey everyone, welcome to Boom and Biggs TV. Today, Biggs and I are heading out to our camping trip. So this is all of our camping supplies, which you may have seen in the previous video, which I will link below if you want to see everything that we packed. Tent, sleeping bags, firewood, memory foam mattresses. This is a bag of supplies, pillows, and my bag of clothes. This is food, sweatshirt, towel, more clothes, and 2 coolers. We also brought 2 bags of packages that we need to ship out tomorrow. Today is Sunday, so tomorrow we'll still be camping, so we'll need to leave the campsite and bring our eBay orders to the post office. So over here we have another cooler. This is the cots, another bag of eBay orders. We actually already took a bag of eBay orders for the weekend yesterday, so we just wanted to get as many of them out yesterday as possible so we'd have less to take tomorrow, and the rest of them will ship when we get back on Tuesday. Down here we have 2 giant thermoses of water, which we decided to bring instead of bringing so many little water bottles. There's Biggs.
How y'all doing?
For our first time camping, we decided to go to Myrtle Beach State Park, which is only 43 minutes from our house. So we made it to our campsite. This is site 102 at Myrtle Beach State Park.
If you'd like to see a tour of this park, I will link our previous video in the description.
So there's room for a vehicle or 2 if needed. And there's a picnic table. And the fire pit, and then room for the tent, which we're about to set up right now. So we have our tent put together. We don't have everything in it yet, but I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like. This is our second time setting it up, so it might not be perfect, but this is the Coleman Weathermaster 6-person tent with screened-in porch.
I recently uploaded a video of a full tour of this tent. If you're interested, the link will be in the description.
Hey, this is my first camping fire. I'm hoping it works out successfully.
It looks pretty good so far. So we have Light Life plant-based hot dogs, and we got these skewers.
I need a bigger fire, don't we?
We might, I don't know.
We met a nice couple who had sugar gliders, and this was our first time seeing sugar gliders. We spent the evening walking around the campground, looking at different campers and campsite setups. We noticed that on circle 4 and 5, there are a lot of bigger, more private spots. These are the spots with the sewer hookups and all that. They are a little bit more expensive. But as you can see back here, there's more trees, more privacy, and there's bigger spots. There are bigger spots mixed in on the other rows as well. So when you're looking at the site map to choose your spot, pay attention to the prices and the size of the lot if you do want yours to be a little bit bigger.
Look at Biggs roasting marshmallows.
Over open flame.
Yep. We got the Dandy's vegan marshmallows, vanilla flavored, and vegan oat milk dark chocolate, and the graham crackers. So plant-based s'mores in progress. Mine still need to cook a little more. I just wanted to show you guys.
Hey, these.
Awesome. Oh yeah.
Mine's flaming.
Yeah, you got your marshmallows charred.
That's how I like it.
So this is the second morning of our camping trip. We had a really nice night last night. The temperature was around 67 degrees and we slept with the tent screens open and listened to, I think, crickets all night. So that was nice. And today we're exploring Huntington Beach State Park, which is about 25 minutes from Myrtle Beach State Park. So we've already spotted an alligator on our drive in. So we parked and now we're walking back to see if we can spot some more alligators. Look, you guys, alligators may live here. And then right there, can you see him? His head's sticking up.
Look at them, bro. We got 2 of them.
I know.
What in the world?
That fish jumped way up. Look, guys, another alligator right here. There's fish jumping everywhere too. Real big fish.
We stopped on our way back to the campsite to get something different for dinner. We decided to cook the hot dogs in foil this time and just set them right on top of the grill, on top of the fire. And we decided to get some potatoes, peppers, and seasonings, and some pans to put the veggies and water in and put on top of the fire.
So we're waking up on our last morning here. We had a really enjoyable time camping. We just did 2 nights. We don't like to leave our little kitty too long. So we're gonna go head home and see Luna. Thank you so much for watching.